Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new video. So actually this noon time I went to visit my paddy field. Actually all of you know that I'm a farmer as well as a shop worker and a English learner. So that's why I always try to make English video, and right now I'm making this video only for my English practicing purpose. So right now, as you can see, there are lots of paddy field over here, and right now I'm going home. I'm going back home after visiting my paddy field. Actually, the condition of my paddy field is so good now, and I'm very pleased to see my paddy field in this noon time. And right now I will go to my grassland and I will try to show you my grassland. So actually this video only for English practicing purpose. Actually without practice no one can develop their English speaking level, and they can't speak English properly, because practice is the main thing of learning something. So finally I have come to my grassland. As you can see the condition of my grass plant, look over there. I have some goats and I have some cows, so that's why I have implanted this grass over here, and you can see the condition of my grass plant. And I will try to show the natural beauty of our area, and I would like to show you my village. Look over there, that is my village. Look in the side. Actually I live in a village. I'm a village's boy and I'm also a farmer, so that's why I have to do these types of work every day. And I have a ambition, I have a goal, that is fluent English speaker. So that's why I try to make English video right now, and not only today but also every day I try to make English video like this way. Actually I don't have any English speaking partner, and I don't have any friends with whom I practice my English. So that's why right now I'm practicing my English by myself. So that is the main thing. So dear friends, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.